Kieleeloni cha kutwikithya kaunti ya Masaku kwithiwa neyo itongoetye nthini wa utandithya na vandu ve useuvya wa syindu. Ngavana wa Masaku muandu Wavinya Ndeti niweethiwa na umbano na aseuvya masindu kivathukan'yo kana manufacturers ovisini wake. Aseuvya masindu kuma kundu kivathukan'yo nimeonanisye kwendeew'a kwingi ni itambya ya Ngavana yila ni ya Kwailya utandithya kauntini ino ilembetani ya Ukamba. Ainena na ene yenda kivathukan'yo Sekta ni Ngavana Wavinya ni wasya kana niweeyumbanitye kuyania utandithya Kennedy Mulinge ena mauvo.
Nena na ene yenda ama kampuni sya Useuvya syindu kivathukan'yo Ngavana Wavinya Ndeti niweethiwa kana kaunti ya Masaku ikiendani chailu cha kuendea kwena kusilama walanyo la mekito ni kaunti zikwa kwambiwa kwa makampuni kivathukan'yo. Iwetakene kiutethesya kuseuvya mawia kwa mweka na kwilya mikale ya ene nthia ingi makaunti siyo ya Machakos.
I have so many young people in this county. We are looking for partners. Mutusaidie. Nikichukua watoto 2,000 every year na niwapeleke kwa hizi TVETs, and then we also partner with you. Yeah, you'll have a lot of skilled young people who are going to work in your factories. On the CSR, we are going to have a structured way of working. We will write to come, isn't it, and say these are the programs we have in Machakos. These are the programs that want to be supported in Machakos. Now from there, as the owners of the industries, you can go and pick what you can support.
Thini wa ivinda vuthu kuvi kaunti ya Masaku ithito ikusia uendeu munene sektani ya kiukwati kumana na uwekezaji wa kilungi nene wa makampuni kivathukan'yo ma useuvya wa syindu.
Industries are dear to my heart because I've seen Mavoko grow because of the industries. Yeah, most of people move from rural areas to urban areas to come and work in your industries. So I want to thank you for that. And being the governor of Machakos, I would want to make sure that you have conducive environment to do business. What I'm going to say, we're going to form a committee that will be sitting with you to sort out the issues. Pesa yenu mukileta, mukiweka kwetu, mutaona mali pesa yenu inaenda.
Mwenena kavinani kiwenene makampuni sya Useuvya syindu kivathukan'yo nimeonanisye muikio na ndoto ila Ngavana Wavinya uende kuemea kwikithya kaunti ya Machakos. Ni atongosya ilembetani umiloni wasyo kwa Kieleeloni kampuni mbingi sya Useuvya syindu kivathukan'yo na otau kuseuvya mawia. Vala imwe sya kampuni inenganie syindu kivathukan'yo kwa ene nthina ingi wasyo kwathana kuendea kukwatiana na serikali esu kwa ili uwekezaji.
This is the first time a county government in this country has had a sit down with investors to listen to their problems and to address the challenges. Your Excellency, that is really appreciated, and we thank you. Our commitment to you is that we will support your government and we will be your mouthpiece, like I mentioned, in terms of telling new investors and even these guys to expand, come to the land that you have shown us here. Our commitment is that we are going to support the county government in all areas in terms of employment, what we call work readiness, where we identify young people and then prepare them to get into jobs, manufacturing jobs.
Ilivotia Tongoetye TV, nyinetoa Mulei Mulinge.